Good morning everyone! I'm Ira of Starry Realty and today, andito tayo ngayon sa Colinville Subdivision sa Barangay Batong Dalig, Kawit, Cavite. As you can see, itong subdivision na to is along the main road, along Antero Soriano Highway. So ayan, kapag dinire-diretso nyo po yan, walking distance, yung ating gate papunta sa main road sa highway. And then pag tumawid ka, andoon ang SNR and ang Evo City plus yung itinatayong Ayala Malls. Andito tayo ngayon sa Joey Model C, Block 5, Lot 2. It's a corner unit by the way guys. If you're looking for a home that's cozy, modern, but still feels spacious, check out the Joey Model C with trellis, which is perfect for starting families or anyone who just wants a comfortable, stress-free home in Kawit, Cavite. This particular unit has a lot area of 99 square meters and usable floor area of 77 square meters. So as you enter, kasama po ang ating mga outdoor lights and then there's a provision for a garden dito sa ating kanan. And then here's our spacious carport na kasya ang isang SUV. By the way guys, it's a corner unit kaya meron tayong excess lot sa gilid with a fence na rin nakasama. Sa excess lot natin, pwede tayong magpa-extend in the future or pwedeng parking up to 2 cars. Step in and you're greeted by a bright living area. I love how the natural light just fills the room. Perfect for family bonding and movie nights. Ito naman, we have a space for a compact dining table. Perfect if you love quick breakfast or weekend meal prep with the family. For the bathroom naman, it's neat, functional, and easy to maintain. Luxurious and modern na rin ang ating turnover. This is our stairs with wooden planks, wooden handles, and acrylic glass. Ayan, napakaganda na po ng turnover ng ating stairs. And now we're here at the second floor. Check mo to, 3 bedrooms, perfect sa pamilya, guest, or kahit home office setup. Bonus pa kasi super practical with built-in cabinets sa lahat ng kwarto. This is bedroom number 1. So the bathroom is neat, functional, again, easy to maintain. Enough space para di magkabanggaan while getting ready. Bedroom 2, pwedeng pang kids, guest room, or gaming paradise. Room 3, home office, personal gym, you name it. Bonus, lahat ng rooms, again, may built-in cabinets so wala ka ng clutter. So imagine, nakatira ka dito. Cozy, practical, at super functional. Ready ka na ba to make it yours? Message us today para makita mo in person.